Namaskar and good morning to all friends and my dear student. I am Anurag and welcoming again you all in yoga classes. Today in this video we will discuss about the human hormone and endocrine system, endocrine glands. This topic is related to control and coordination chapter from class 10, and at the same time this chapter is very important for competitive exams. At least one question is asked from this topic in every competitive exam. So friends, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel and on this notification bell. Okay, now let's see first what is the meaning of hormone. Although this topic, as you will go in higher classes, you will get much more related with the definition of hormone, their structure, what chemical actually they are consist of. This thing you will study in your higher classes. Here just simple definition according to your standard, that hormones are certain chemical substances that govern the growth and metabolic activities of our body. Hormones are secreted from endocrine gland and reach to different parts of body through blood plasma. Okay, so this is the meaning of hormone. And now endocrine gland. What is the meaning of endocrine gland? Endocrine glands are certain ductless gland. This word ductless gland, from which hormones are secreted. Hormones are secreted. They do not have any duct to transfer the hormones secreted from it. The hormones directly transfer through blood plasma. Okay, so let's see that what are the endocrine gland present in human being. Here you can see this pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, then here pancreas. Pancreas, you know, it is a mixed gland. It is exocrine as well as endocrine gland. Then adrenal gland, above this kidney, and last testes in male and ovary in female. So these are the endocrine glands. And next we'll see that what are the function, what are the hormones secreted from these different endocrine gland and what are their function. What type of deficiency disease caused due to these hormones, okay, that we'll see. So in male or female, these are the endocrine gland. Okay, now let us see that what are different types of hormones secreted from these endocrine gland and what are their function one by one. First we'll take the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, you know, it is the master gland. But it is called the master gland because it secretes the hormone, or you can say that it governs the secretion of hormones from other endocrine glands. That's why it is called as master gland. Master, that govern other endocrine gland. Secretion of hormone from other endocrine gland. What are the hormones secreted from pituitary gland? Let's see one by one. STH, somatotropic hormones, that are responsible for the growth of body, development of bones. Okay. Then TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. This hormone, you can say that trigger the secretion of hormones from thyroid gland. Okay. Next, ACTH, adrenal cortex hormone. This adrenal cortex hormone trigger, or you can say control the secretion of hormone from the cortex part of adrenal gland. Okay, that we'll see later on. Next is GTH, gonadotropic hormone. Governs the functioning of sexual body parts. There are two types of GTH, that are FSH and LH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Next is MSH, that melanocyte stimulating hormone. Then next LTH or oxytocin, that is responsible for the secretion of milk from female. The next is ADH or vasopressin. This is very important hormone. Vasopressin or ADH, antidiuretic hormone. This is responsible for the water balance in our body. If deficiency occurs in secretion of this hormone, then diabetes insipidus disease is caused, in which we feel thirst again and again, and secretion of urine so many times in a day. Okay, that is okay. Next is thyroid gland, that is present near about to neck of our body. The hormones secreted from thyroid gland are thyroxine, triiodothyronine. These are responsible for the growth of body. And there are several deficiency disease caused by this secretion, low secretion of thyroxine hormone. Let's see what are the diseases. Creatine is goiter. Goiter is very much famous to you all. Hypothyroidism and myxedema. Myxedema, there is no control on heart rate, metabolic activities. Hypothyroidism, you can say sexual inability. Genga is called goiter, in which the bones of this thyroid and neck bone comes out, and many other you can say that growth of human body restricted. Okay, next gland is parathyroid gland, that is present near this thyroid gland. The hormones secreted from this parathyroid gland are parathyroid hormone and calcitonin. These two hormones are responsible for the balance of calcium in our blood. Okay, parathyroid hormone secreted when there is deficiency of calcium. Okay, and calcitonin hormone is secreted when there is efficiency or excess of hormone in blood. Okay, next is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is present just above our kidney. Okay, there are two parts of adrenal gland, cortex and medulla. The hormones secreted from cortex part are glucocorticoid, mineralocorticoid and sex hormone. And from the medulla part, the hormones secreted are epinephrine, norepinephrine and adrenaline. From all these, this adrenaline is very important and asked so many times in class 10 as well as in competitive exam. This hormone is called as fight or flight hormone. Hormones secreted from cortex part, glucocorticoid, mineralocorticoid and sex hormone, basically first two are responsible for all the metabolic activities of our body. The deficiency of these hormones cause the disease that is called an Addison's disease. Okay, and this epinephrine, this is responsible for the contraction and relaxation of heart muscles. Okay, epinephrine and norepinephrine. And next this adrenaline, as I told, it is called as fight or flight hormone. It is secreted at the time of you can say anger, danger, etc. It you can say that suggests our body either to fight the condition or to flight away the condition, that is to run away from this condition. Next gland is pancreas. Pancreas, as I told, is a mixed gland. The hormones secreted from this pancreas are insulin and glucagon. These hormones are responsible to maintain the glucose level in blood. Okay, if excess of glucose is there, then insulin triggered to convert it in glycogen, and glucagon act opposite to insulin. The deficiency of insulin cause the disease that is called diabetes. Okay, you all are aware of this. Next, the next endocrine glands that are related to the sexual character of our body. In male, this is testis, and in female, it is ovary. The hormone secreted from testis is called testosterone, whereas hormones secreted from the ovary part are estrogen, progesterone and relaxin. Testosterone in males and estrogen and progesterone in female are responsible for the secondary sexual character in human beings. Okay, like development of breast, then connection or maturation of oviduct. Okay, like this. And the relaxin hormone is secreted during the pregnancy period to relax the muscle of that part, so that there is no pain during the birth of child. Okay, so this is all about from this endocrine gland, the function of the hormones secreted from and different endocrine gland. This is very important topic for class 10 as well as for all competitive exam. Okay, so I hope this video is again very useful to you all. If it is so, then like it, share and subscribe the channel. Be with me for more and updated knowledge of